My name is Andrew Nuhfer, and I am the owner of AKN Interiors. AKN Interiors is a residential remodeling company. We specialize in kitchens, bathrooms, basements, and additions, and we have been in business for about 3.5 years now. So when these customers reached out to us, they reached out to us because they originally built this home, and what was installed was builder-grade finishes. So the main focus of this project was to put some higher-end, more durable things back into their home.
Andrew, wow, what a great wide open space kitchen here. I love this, and this gorgeous, huge kitchen island. Tell me a little bit about the design inspiration behind this space.
Yeah, so for this new kitchen, one of the really important things for this family was durability. So what we did was we put custom cabinets in around this entire kitchen, and we put quartz countertops in and brand new appliances. We made this island a little bit bigger so that everybody for this entire family had a seat to sit at every day.
It is beautiful. You know, we see a lot of large kitchen islands, but I'm loving this shape as a more kind of squared off.
Yeah.
It really is a nice kind of focus feature in this kitchen and gives you tons of space, I would imagine, for family gatherings and entertaining here.
Yep.
I love it, I love it. And if we come around here, this is a really nice kind of coffee bar area, and I really love cabinetry-wise, the two-toned with the island and then the wall cabinetry, and then how you carried the color scheme kind of through the quartz up it through this backsplash is really nice.
So what we were able to do here was we were able to put white oak cabinetry in this area as well as around the stove. This is a mother of pearl backsplash here, and when we were redesigning this kitchen, we had to find a new home for the microwave. So a perfect place for it was to put a drawer microwave over in this area right here. It's a little bit easier to use than a microwave above the stove. Yeah, and
it's kind of tucked away, you know, out of sight a little bit, but it's a really beautiful, obviously, Bosch microwave. Gorgeous, gorgeous selection. And then this is a very nice choice with just the clean, sleek stainless steel refrigerator.
Yeah, so this is a counter depth Bosch fridge. I like to recommend this to people because it has French doors, which are a little bit easier to open than one giant door. And it's also counter depth, which means that it doesn't stick as far into the kitchen and you don't lose as many things in the back of it.
Yeah, it's great. It was kind of the perfect, just quiet, I think, solution there. I really love that. And then that just kind of carries you into this really nice pantry area that ties right into this kitchen. A counter-depth refrigerator is a great option for a built-in look without compromising design. It also doesn't protrude as much into the kitchen like a full-depth refrigerator. Well, let's check out this cooktop area with this beautiful statement here with the custom range hood.
Yeah, so what we did was we put a gas cooktop here instead of a normal range. And above that, like I said before, we took the microwave away and we had to give them some ventilation. So we ran this hood insert up and out the outside of the house. So now that when they're cooking here, smoke doesn't fill up in the room, and it has a nice way to ventilate the space so that it's not bothering anybody while cooking's going on in this new kitchen.
It's beautiful, and I love how the cabinetry just kind of flanks this gorgeous custom range hood and takes you right up into the ceiling with these beautiful illuminated cabinets.
Yeah, we wanted to bring the cabinets all the way to the ceiling, and the nice part about putting glass doors on the top is it's a nice place to display some things. That way, if you ever have any heirloom pieces or anything like that, you can stick them up in the top of the cabinets, and it's just a nice way to kind of display them without them being on a counter.
It is. And I really like the transition with the backsplash you did here from the mother of pearl. This still has kind of this subway tile has a little bit of a pearlescent texture to it, sheen. It's really elegant. This kitchen just kind of has this quiet elegance to it, which I really, really love. And I think it just plays everything, all the choices and color choices and finishes are just really playing off each other very nicely. And the appliances, again, just kind of like this nice, clean look. I think it's just tying in really lovely. Now, and I love the cabinet hardware, this like gold tone, and I'm noticing I love how it pulls right into the plumbing fixtures and up into these really, really beautiful, are they brass?
Yeah, so these are an aged brass light fixture. And one nice thing about this is they are brand new, but they're made to kind of look nice and aged. And they really pull in the plumbing fixtures as well as all the cabinet hardware. So it kind of just puts a bow on the whole space together.
It really does. It's like just the finishing touch to this beautiful space. I love that. So I think our last little area here is this beautiful double wall oven by Bosch. Can you tell me a little bit about that selection?
Yeah, so these customers opted to go with a double wall oven so that they have the ability to cook 2 different things at 2 different temperatures at any one time. That way, whenever they have big family gatherings, they don't have to really time things out.
It's great. What a great selection and choice for family gatherings, entertainment, holidays, right? Like, you just have so much option there. I just love that. Well, Andrew, thank you so much for taking the time to give us a tour of this really beautiful, elegant space.
Thank you so much.